Hello and welcome back to TNV Academy. In today's episode, we will focus on planning for facility management objectives as outlined in ISO 41001. This step is crucial for ensuring that your facility management processes align with your organization's strategic goals and deliver measurable results. Why planning matters? Why is planning for facility management objectives so important? Effective planning provides a roadmap to align facility management with organizational goals, optimize resources, and improve operational efficiency, meet stakeholders' expectations while supporting environmental and social sustainability. Without a well-defined plan, achieving consistent results becomes a challenge. Steps in planning for facility management objectives. Let's break down the steps involved in planning facility management objectives under ISO 41001. Understand organizational context. Start by understanding the internal and external factors that impact your organization. This includes identifying risks, opportunities, and stakeholder needs. Define clear objectives. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. For example, reducing energy consumption by 15% within a year or improving workplace safety for implementing regular audits. Develop a strategic plan. Create a structured plan that outlines how you will achieve these objectives. This should include resource allocation timelines and responsibilities for each task. Risk management. Identify potential risks to your facility management processes and develop strategies to mitigate them. For instance, having a backup plan for critical equipment failures or disruptions. Integration with business strategy. Ensure your facility management objectives are integrated with the broader organizational goals. This helps in gaining leadership support and aligning priorities. Performance indicators. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor progress. For example, tracking energy usage, maintenance costs, or employee satisfaction levels. Key considerations. While planning, keep these key considerations in mind. Stakeholder involvement. Engage with employees, contractors, and management to gather insights and ensure buy-in. Compliance. Ensure your plan meets legal, regulatory, and environmental requirements. Sustainability goals include objectives that promote energy efficiency, waste reduction, and a positive environmental impact. Benefits of proper planning. What benefits can you expect from proper planning? Improved operational efficiency and cost savings. Enhanced risk management and business continuity. Increased stakeholder satisfaction and trust. Alignment with sustainability and corporate responsibility goals. Planning for facility management objective isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about driving strategic value for your organization. By following the principles of ISO 41001, you can ensure that your facility management system delivers meaningful and measurable results. In our next episode, we will explore more about ISO 41001. Thank you for joining us and see you next time. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Till then, take care. Thank you.